श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। अथ श्रीमन्नारायणीयं दशका 3 भक्तस्वरूपवर्णनं भक्तिप्रार्थना च। पठन्तो नामानि प्रमदभरसिन्धौ निपतिताः स्मरन्तो रूपं ते वरद कथयन्तो गुणकथाः चरन्तो ये भक्तास्त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममुन् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान्। हे Varada, O you God, who is Varada, Varam dadati iti Varadaha, the boon giver Bhagavan, one who gives boons to the devotees. He Varada. Te namani patantaha, the people, devotees, who spend their time reading your names, your auspicious names. Patantaha. Patantaha, reading, chanting aloud, repeating the various names of the God. Namani, the names. Pramada bhara sindhau nipatitaha. Pramadaha, joy. Pramadabhara, full of joy. Sindhau, Sindhuhu means ocean or sea. Nipatitaha, they descend into the ocean of joy. Smarantaha te rupam, remembering and meditating on your form. He Varada. Gunakathaha kathayantaha. Kathayantaha, telling, narrating to one another. Te gunakathaha, your virtuous stories, your great deeds. Ye charantaha, those people who are moving about, freely wandering, without any attachment to their belongings or home. Those devotees who Tvai, in you, Param Ramante, they find happiness, supreme happiness only in you, only by chanting your names, only by telling about your good historic tales, and only by meditating on you. Such devotees, Aham Dhanyan Manye, I consider them to be very fortunate. Samadhigata Sarva Abhilashitan, Samadhigata, fully acquired all their heart's desire. These devotees have got all that they wanted in this life, and according to the poet, they are the most blessed people on earth. Gadakklishtam kashtam tava charanasevārasabare pyanasaktam chittam bhavati bata Vishnu kurudayam bhavatpadambojasmaranarasiko namanivahan aham gayam kuhachana bibhatsyami vijane. Hey Vishnu, O you Lord Vishnu, Mama Chittam, my mind, Gadaklishtam, tormented by gada or diseases. Tava charana seva rasabhare api anasaktam. Anasaktam, disinterested. In the charana seva, in prostrating before you. Charana seva rasa bhare, the excess of joy which I will get by bowing down to you, even in that it is not interested. He Vishnu, Dayam Kuru, O God, have some mercy on me. It is said that the poet was unable to move because of his illness, and he had himself carried to the Guruvayur temple and sang this immortal poem in the presence of God. Bhavat Padamboja Smarana Rasikaha. I want to be able to prostrate before you, and I want to spend my time remembering your lotus-like feet. Bhavat, your Padamboja, Pada Amboja, the lotus feet. Smarana, remembering. Rasikaha, and enjoy the bliss that will come to me. Nama Nivahan Aham Gayam Gayam. Nama Nivahan, the many auspicious names of the God. Gayam Gayam, again and again singing. I want to keep on singing the various names of the great God. Kuhachana, somewhere. Vivatsyami, I want to live. Vijane, in some solitary spot. This is the wish of the poet, that he should be healthy enough to make his mind remember about God, and he wants God to bless him with good health. कृपा ते जाता चेत किमिव नहि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीय क्लेशौग प्रशमनदशा नाम कियति न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिता भवद्भक्ता मुक्ता सुखगतिमसक्ता विदधते. आई भगवान, ओ यू भगवान, कृपा ते जाता चेत, te kripa, your grace. Jata chet, if it is born, if there is grace of God towards me. Kimiva nahi labhyam, what is there which cannot be achieved? For Tanubhritam, for the embodied living beings. Madiya klesha oga prashamana dasha nama kiyati. How insignificant it is for you to make me free from my diseases. Madiya, mine, klesha, afflictions, oga, multitude, prashamana dasha, the state in which all my afflictions are quietened, to make me free from diseases, is a very small task for you, O you great God. न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशम् अयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ताः. Bhavadbhaktaha, your devotees. Asmin loke, in this world. Ke bhavadbhaktaha, Many of your devotees, Anisham always, Shokabhirahitaha, they are totally free from sorrows, and Muktaha, they are liberated. Sukagatim, they get the state of happiness. Asaktaha, not attached to the worldly things, they get Sukagatim na vidadate. Who is there who is not in the state of happiness? Each and every one of your bhakta ultimately is very, very happy. Let me also be one of those devotees. Let me also become free. O God, please cure me of my diseases. मुनिप्रौढारूढा जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः चरन्तीशस्वैरं सततपरिनिर्भातपरचित् सदानन्दाद्वैतप्रसरपरिमग्ना किमपरम्. हे ईश, O you Lord, Munipraudaha, the great sages, Narada Mukhaha, like the sage Narada, Gudatma Gatayaha, who have the knowledge of reality, Bhavat Padamboja Smarana Virujaha, they are free from sorrow by remembering your lotus-like feet. Such sages, Jagati in this world, Rudaha, they are well known. They are Satata Parinirbhata Parachit Sadananda Advaita Prasara Parimagnaha. They are always immersed in the ever effulgent supreme consciousness and bliss in the stream of the non-dual reality. Swairam charanti, they are moving about freely at will. Kim aparam, what more is there to be desired in this life? Bhavad bhakti svita bhavatu mama saiva prashamayet ashesha kleshaugam na kalu hridi sandeha kanika na chedvyasasyoktistava cha vachanam naigamavacho bhaven mitya Purusha Vachana Prayamakhilam. Bhavat Bhaktihi, the bhakti towards you. Mama Bhavat Bhaktihi, my bhakti towards you. Svita Bhavatu, let it be very large. Sa eva mama ashesha kleshaugam prashamayet. That bhakti alone will remove all my sufferings. In this, in my mind, hridi, na kalu, sandeha kanika, there is indeed no doubt. Sandeha, doubt. Kanika, an atom. Not even the slightest doubt exists in my mind that the bhakti alone will remove all my sufferings. Nachet, otherwise, Vyasasya Uktihi, the saying of the great sage Vedavyasa, Tavacha Vachanam, and your words, the words of God Krishna, Naigama Vachaha, the various sayings in the Vedic texts, Bhaven Mithya, they will all become untrue. Ratya Purusha Vachana Prayam, like the Vachanam, words of Ratya Purusha. Ratya, street. Purusha, being. A common man in the street. An ordinary person who is not very great like Vedavyasa or Krishna. Akhilam, all the words given by the sage Vedavyasa and Bhagavan Krishna himself, everything will become untrue if bhakti is not supposed to eradicate difficulties. In the Bhagavata Mahapuranam, in the first skandam, Vedavyasa says, Anarthopashamam Sachat Bhakti Yogam Adochaje. That is, the bhakti towards God Vishnu averts all calamities. The 9th chapter of Bhagavad Gita says, Ananyas Chintayanto Mam Ejana Paryupasate Tesham Nityabhiyuktanam Yogachemam Vahamyaham. Bhavadbhaktistavat Pramuka Madhura Twadgunarasat Kimapyaruda Ched Akila Paritapa Prashamani Punaschante Swante Vimala Paribododayamilan Mahanandadvaitam Dishati Kimata Pratyamaparam. Bhavad Bhaktistavat, your bhakti indeed, Pramukha Madhura, is very sweet from the very beginning. Tvad Guna Rasat, on account of the joy of hearing about your great qualities. Kimapyaruda, if the bhakti grows even a little, Chet, Akila Paritapa Prashamani, it eradicates all sorrows. Punaschante, again at the end, Swante, in the mind. It is Vimala Paribododaya Milan Mahanandadvaitam Dishati. It causes the awakening of pure true knowledge and also confers the supreme bliss of one's identity with Brahman. Kim ata prartyam aparam, what other thing is there which is to be sought after other than this bhakti? Viduya kleshan me kuru charana yugmam dhritarasam bhavat chetra प्राप्तौ करमपि च ते पूजनविधौ भवन्मूर्त्यालोके नयनमतते पादतुलसी परिघ्राणे घ्राणं श्रवणमपि ते चारुचरिते. O Bhagavan, vidūya me kleshan, removing all my sorrows. Kuru, make. Charana yugmam, the pair of feet. Dhrita rasam, take joy in reaching your temple. Bhavat kshetra, your kshetra, your temple. Praptau, let my feet enjoy going to the temple. Karam, the hand. Te pujana vidau dhritarasam, let my hand enjoy doing the worship to you. Me nayanam, my eyes, let them delight in looking at your beautiful form. Bhavat murti aloke. Mama granam, my nose. Te pada tulasi parigrane, in smelling, enjoying the fragrance of tulasi placed at your feet. Me shravanam, my ears. Dhritarasam, let it enjoy listening to your beautiful tales. प्रभूता दिव्यादिप्रसभचलिते मामकहृदि त्वदीयं तद्रूपं परमसुखचिद्रूपमुदीयात् उदञ्चद्रोमाञ्चो गलितबहुहर्षाश्रुनिवहो यथा विस्मर्यासं दुरुपशमपीडा परिभवान्. Hey Bhagavan, Twadiyam Tadrupam, your that form, which is Paramasukha Chidrupam. It is the supreme bliss and consciousness personified. Let it arise in my mind, Mamaka Hridi, which is Prabhuta, a lot of Adi, mental pain, Vyadi, physical pain, Prasabha, forcibly, Chalite, moved. My mind at present is very much disturbed by many mental and physical pains. Let your beautiful form arise in my mind so that I forget all my afflictions, the pain caused by my affliction, which is hard to eradicate. Yatha vismaryasam durupa shama pida paribhavan. When that form has arisen in my mind, I will be udanchat romanchaha, with aroused horripilation, and galita bahu harshashru nivahaha, and I will be having tears of joy flowing down profusely. This will be my condition. O God, please make that auspicious form of yours arise in my mind. मरुद्गेहाधीश त्वयि खलु पराञ्चोऽपि सुखिनो भवत्स्नेही सोऽहं सुबहु परितप्ये च किमिदम् अकीर्तिस्ते मा भूद्वरद गदभारं प्रशमयन् भवद्भक्तोत्तंसं झटिति कुरु मां कंसदमन. हे मरुद्गेहाधीश, O you Lord of Guruvayur, त्वयि पराञ्चः अपि सुखिनः खलु. The people who are not devoted to you are living happily indeed. Bhavat snehi soham subahu paritapye. I am your devotee. I have a lot of affection for you, but I am suffering very much. What is this? Akirtihi te ma bud varada. Hey Varada, O you boon giver, let there be no ill fame to you. Let there be no ill fame, saying that the Bhagavan has not taken care of his affectionate devotee. Gadabaram prashamayan, eradicating my severe afflictions. Bhavad bhaktottansam, make me your foremost devotee. Jatiti, very quickly. Kuru, please make me your devotee. Kansa damana, O you slayer of Kansa. किमुक्तैर्भूयोभिस्तव हि करुणायावदुदीयात् अहं तावद्देव प्रहितविविधार्थप्रलपितः पुरक्लृप्ते पादे वरद तव नेष्यामि दिवसान् यथाशक्तिव्यक्तं नतिनुति निषेवा विरचयन्. हे भगवान, किम उक्तैहि भूयोभिः, किम भूयोभिः उक्तैः. What is the point of saying again and again? Tavahi karuna yavat udiyat tavat, till your compassion towards me arises. Hey Deva, O you effulgent God, prahita vivida artha pralapitaha, I will give away prahita, vivida, various, artha, sorrowful lamentations. I will give up my lamentations. And puraha, in front of me, kripte, which are presented, pade, your charanas. Hey Varada, O you boon giver God, divasan neshyami, I will spend my days at your feet. Yatha Shakti, according to my capacity. Nati Nuti Nisheva Virachayan, performing Nati, Nuti and Nisheva. Nati means prostrations, Nuti means praises, Nisheba means worship. This is Vyaktam, very clear. I am very clear as to how I will be spending my days. I will be spending my days at your lotus feet.